All of you, joy, put your hands together for our champion of the day, Renette, who all of you even know. She was in the class with you. She passed the theory right under your nose. And here she is proudly presenting her license. Congratulations, Renata.
Congratulations.
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 Congratulations. Can see her.
Okay, just one second. So, just Renette, where are you, champion? Just one second.
Thank
Say
you.
something.
Okay,
Yeah.
can you hear me, Ambrish?
Now I get you up here, so there you are next to me. All right, Renette. Let me just put all the microphones off because I see lots of mics are on. I'll mute them all, and only you put your mic on, Renette.
It's on.
Now it is on.
Yes.
You have the stage. Express yourself. We all waiting. I know you went through a journey, so.
Ambrish, and it has been a journey, but fellow students, it's been a journey worthwhile. Venturing this journey with Ambrish and the Quick Patente. I would not have been able to do it with Ambrish. It felt like a mountain like Everest I had to climb. And when I started my classes, I very soon realized that this is going to actually be an enjoyment. And whilst I've got to learn, I'm actually enjoying it as well and learning Italian. But you know what, all along, it was as if Ambrish was just holding my hand all the time. And the encouragement that he keeps on giving us is of such value. And when I wrote the morning I had to write for my Folia Rosa, he was there early. I felt so sorry for him. I made so many horrible mistakes. And he just said to me, go and write, and you're going to party tonight. And I still thought, yeah, Ambrish. And then I tell you, when I got that paper back and he said to me, bene, I was delighted. So, of course, then I joined the driving school and I started with the Guida lessons. And guys, don't drop any of your studies that you are doing, because I very quickly grabbed all of my theory again. I went back online. I checked all of Ambrish's videos. I kept on listening to his voice, because that is really what kept me going. It was a bit of a challenge because in South Africa, I drive on the other side of the road, although I've been driving in Italy, but I was driving on a manual and I usually drive an automatic. And of course, I've got only an Italian instructor with no English. I was missing you, Ambrish. And, but you know what, it's, this card to me feels as if I'm holding a bar of gold. This is possibly one of the biggest gifts the Italian government can give you. It comes at a price. You have to work hard for it. But boy, it feels good when you hold this, because you have really deserved it. But with Ambrish, I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you so much. And to all of you, hang in there. You're going to be doing it. Believe him, because it can happen.
Okay, thanks a lot, Renette. Very, very nice, very inspiring words, and it's encouraged us. Now let's figure out. I'm happy to tell you all your friends about it. Be a nice ambassador like you always have been. I'm sure about that. And thank you very much for inspiring words. So, and whenever you have happen to come in Lake Garda, do visit. Okay.
Oh, definitely. Thank you.
All right. Thanks a lot.